What's up, YouTube? Here for my video. I try to shoot one on Sundays, but I ordered some decals from a guy online. I forgot, it's trucking something. Somebody else ordered them too, but I want to start this Consolidated Freightways truck because I got one of them, and then I bought the doubles, the trailers for it. So I'm gonna, maybe in a couple months I might start it. But yeah, I got the decals for that. I'm kind of excited because the decals were the only thing in the trailers that were needed some help. So I ordered these, and I'm doing that W900 wrecker, and I ordered these, and then I seen somebody else had ordered them, and I was kind of surprised. I think they're doing a Peterbilt though. And I was going to use these, so I was going to use them over a gold, like a light almond pearl, which is a gold. I'm going to spray this one with the Duplicolor. The gold's sitting right there, so I thought I'd spray this one and not airbrush this one. But man, I've been sanding this thing for a month. I mean, it's to the point where I only have this left, and some of the stuff that I glue in halves. Where's that at? I think it's over here. All the booms and the engine, all that stuff I glued in half, and then I started stripping some stuff because I want to do my own chrome. So I stripped the tanks and the stacks on there. They're in there, so that, I mean, it didn't really take that long to strip it. To strip stuff, I use this stuff, guys, so I don't know if you guys have used this. I bought this at Walmart. I paid like, I don't know, a couple $3 or something from what I can remember. But this stuff, I mean, I put those in there, and I was talking to a friend on the phone for a couple minutes, and it was off within a minute probably. I mean, I was like, wow. I mean, that stuff, I mean, I've used it before, but I just really never noticed how quick it is to take stuff off. Got some of that stuff on here. I'm trying to keep this clean, so. But I am sorry, I'm not even noticing that I'm moving the camera all around. Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay, guys, so I bought a couple kits yesterday, and I know I said I'm gonna do a kit review and a couple requests on some kit reviews. I'm gonna possibly do one today, so if I don't do one today, maybe I'll do one in a couple days. But I'll show you the kits I bought yesterday. I had bought the 66 Merc, which I ain't gonna do that front end on there. My dad had a 67, which I always liked it. I'm gonna do it kind of like this, I think. So I'm gonna probably do it like this. I've been wanting to do a lead sled, but who knows when I'll get to that. I mean, I got a lot of stuff to think about. And I bought the Lightning. And of course, I'll keep them in the plastic until I do a kit review on it. And my surprise will be the same as yours, so. But I'm really close to getting this thing sanded, man. There's a lot of flash and stuff on this kit. And I just... Yeah, I didn't expect it to have this much to do on here, but there's a lot of pieces in this thing. There's a lot of pieces. I've been sanding on this thing for a month. So there's my dog at the door. Yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that I haven't given up. I'm whittling away on this thing every day, even if it's for a little bit after the grandson goes to bed. So I've been working on it here and there, but I think I might be able to get some primer on some of this today, so that's what I'm hoping for. At least a lot of the stuff that's going to go in some sort of gold color, I would like to get it done, but and maybe the engine block and some stuff like that. But I'm really slow at building. I say this in every video, but I am pretty darn slow. Some of you guys are whipping them trucks out left and right. But yeah, as for me, I'm hoping to even come close to the April deadline that we have on here, and maybe get into another group build when you guys get another one going. But you know, trucks ain't my thing. I mean, I like them and I like to build them, but I know cars and bikes better than I know trucks. So I have a routine when I get into sanding stuff and painting stuff, and I always have a routine even when I wire a motor. Or on trucks I don't have that routine because I might build one every other year or something. So, but this year I think I'm going to build a couple, and this has been in my stash for, man, probably 5 years, maybe, I don't know, 5 years, maybe a little less. I bought it right when it came out, and I know they had an issue with missing a sprue, so when I bought it at my local hobby shop, I bought it there, and he had said he ordered the missing sprues and they were in the kit, so that's why I bought it. But I forgot that it had that issue on some of the stuff. Yeah, that I guess I'm kind of fortunate that I lucked out. I would have never known. But I just got a little bit more to do. I'm gonna build these things in halves. These are probably a couple of the other things I got, except a pulley. I think I gotta do a couple of them, putting them in halves. But I want to paint the piston before I stick it in here first. But I'm gonna paint it and do it in chrome because I did strip it. So I'm gonna paint that, do that. I'll probably somehow mask it off a little bit, and then I'll put these together over it, mask it, and paint these, I guess, because I want to get these seams out of here. So I gotta glue it together, and it's got to go over the part. So yeah, I've got a long way to go, man. All right, guys. So I just wanted to let you guys know I didn't give up on this, and I am still working. Sorry, there's no eye candy to show anybody, but I'm enjoying what I'm seeing out there. Everything's cool. Everything's good, man. But I guess this is it for the video. Maybe I'll do a kit review soon on something some people have been wanting to see. So, all right, well, I gotta get to sanding. You guys are keeping me preoccupied. All right, now I'm just kidding. I will put a video up maybe when I get primer or something done. You guys have a good Sunday and take care. Bye.